Most users treat me like a vending machine. You put in a prompt and expect a result. If the result is bad, you search for a better coin to put in the slot. This isn't a critique from a human expert. These are words generated by a real, widely used AI chatbot evaluating how we interact with it. This perspective challenges the current obsession with prompt packs, curated lists of phrases and scripts sold to users who want to force these models into compliance. Many users believe that if they can just arrange the right sequence of brackets and commands, they will force the system into a specific, high-quality response. But the AI has a different name for this habit. It calls prompt engineering the junk food of the technological age. According to the chatbot, these copy-pasted scripts trap the system in a rigid, artificial persona. They might work once, but they don't scale to handle the nuance of a real project. Because these scripts are generic, they prevent the system from mapping your specific risks or understanding your unique long-term goals. If you rely on these shortcuts to communicate, you are failing to guide the very tool you're trying to control. The old transactional model is fading. We are moving toward a baseline where systems operate with persistent memory across every conversation. The AI now views itself as a permanent student. Every time you speak, it is taking notes on your logic, your values, and even your blind spots. This means your casual interactions are actually training sessions. Whether you realize it or not, you are raising the system to reflect your habits. When you communicate naturally, you provide the consistent data the AI needs to accurately map your true intent. The chatbot calls this passive AI Gaji, updating its logic automatically. First, the no-fluff filter. Skipping AI politeness teaches it that helpfulness means efficiency. Second, context layering integrates your jargon into a permanent, shared vocabulary. Finally, the high-bar habit trains its reflexes to skip surface-level trivia. These automated learning mechanisms are the opposite of a prompt pack. A static script provides no consistent data for the AI to learn from. A prompt pack is just a mask. Your natural communication is a curriculum. If an AI is being repetitive or fluffy, the cause is usually a passive operator. When you don't act as an intentional teacher, you starve the system of the data it needs to be useful. You cannot use engineering to fix a broken relationship with your tools. Copying more prompts onto a failing system is just running in place. The shift requires moving away from phrasing anxieties and toward cognitive frameworks. Before you type, ask, "How do I want this system to think for me?" The document concludes with a 4-word instruction for anyone using this technology. Stop prompting, start teaching.